Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get dark mode on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are, as you can see, I'm currently here on Roblox. Now if you do play Roblox for extended periods of time, dark mode is a great feature because what it does changes the whole theme to a darker set of colors, which means there's less strain on the eyes, and it's just overall better if you do spend a lot of time on Roblox. So to go ahead and enable dark mode, what you're going to want to do is come across roblox.com and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, you want to come up the top right-hand corner, click onto this gear icon to open up this menu, and then you want to come down and click onto settings. In here, what you need to do is make sure you're on the account info section. So if you come to this menu on the left-hand side, you want to click onto account info. And then in here, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see the theme option just down here. So you can see it's currently set to light. What we can do is click onto this box and we can change it to dark. And as you can see, it's going to make the screen darker, which, as I previously mentioned, is better for your eyes if you do spend a lot of time on Roblox or extended periods. It just puts less strain on the eyes, and it's just overall better for your eyes. So that's basically how you can get dark mode on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.